Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this healthy, refreshing pineapple ginger juice. I have my pineapple here and some ginger. These pineapples are pretty small, so I'm using all of 6, and in total these weigh a little over 7 pounds. The ginger that I have is 4 ounces. You can use more or less if you wish. I like that gingery kick that the ginger adds, so I'm using this amount. So all the ingredients have been thoroughly washed. You can wash your fruits in salt water, or if you have baking soda or plain water, depending on where you buy them or where you get them from. I use a little bit of mild dish soap with a sponge and make sure that I scrub all these really well, because I might be using the skin of the pineapples in another recipe, and I'm not peeling the ginger because we'll be blending and straining everything. So I just made sure to get rid of all the dirt and debris by scrubbing thoroughly. I'm gonna peel the pineapples and cut them into chunks. No need to remove the core because, as I said earlier, we're going to be blending them. My pineapples are in chunks and ready to be blended, and my ginger is sliced thinly. I'm going to be blending in a few batches, and I'm going to pour my water to about half. Remember that fruits already have a high water content, so you really don't need to add a lot of water. Plus, you don't want to water your juice down. To strain, I like to run my juice through a mesh. The strainer here is just to hold the mesh. A mesh or a cheesecloth, anyone would work. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to this. And to be honest, the sugar isn't even needed. I'm just adding it just in case somebody wants a little bit of ice in theirs. I was able to get about 3 liters of juice with this recipe. This drink was so refreshing and delicious. I encourage you to research the amazing health benefits of this drink. I will leave the recipe in the description below. Please like the video, share and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot, and let's continue the journey to our first 1,000 subs. Also, connect with me on all my social media accounts, which are all linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.